Beehiv versus Substack. Which is better? I'm going to tell you whether Beehiv or Substack is the better platform for your newsletter. Substack is the go-to choice for writers who want a simple all-in-one platform with built-in payments and a strong reader community. It's great for those who want to focus on writing and monetizing through subscriptions. Beehiv, on the other hand, is built for growth, offering advanced analytics, referral programs, and better customizations, making it ideal for creators who want to scale their audience. If you want ease of use and a built-in audience, go with Substack. If you want more control over your newsletter's growth and marketing, Beehiv is the better option.